Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I already uploaded 7 video on my YouTube channel. So if you didn't watch my video, so first you should be watch my videos. Okay. So welcome to day 8 of your Python journey. So today we will explore error and exception handling, a critical skill to make your program robust and error proof. Okay, so we will cover everything you need to know about handling error in Python. Okay, so ensuring nothing is left unexplained. Let's get started. So first, we check what are error and exception. Okay, in a Python. So what are the error and exception in Python? 1 minute, I just explain. So first error. Error means mistake in the program that prevent it from running. Okay, like example, syntax error. Sometime you will be face syntax error or a indentation error or like a value error. Lot of things. Okay, and second one is like exception. Okay, so exception means issue that occur during execution. Okay, but can be handled like file not found error or zero division error. Okay, so error is different and exception is different. Okay, so understood first thing, exception occur during the execution. Okay, when you run your Python code, then you will get exception. Okay, so why handle exception? Okay, so without exception handling, your program might crash when a error occur. Okay, so by handling exception, you can prevent crashes. Okay, provide meaningful error message, allow the program to continue execution. So first of all, we learn what is the basic sentence of the like uh, exception handling. Okay, so we use try and exception block is used to handle exceptions. Okay, so first I explain basic sentence of try and accept. Okay, so always remember this thing, try and accept. I just change the color here. It's like not, I'm just trying to change color in different. Yeah, try exception. Okay, so what is the sentence of try and exception? So first always define try, try block. Okay, so try, then write your might be write a occurrence. Okay, so code that might be might be raised a exception. Okay, if you like uh, trying to execute your Python code and you will be like no, like when sometime your code will be crash, so just write your code in try block, then declare except. Okay, so except, then except type exception, exception type. Okay, then code code to handle code to handle the exception. I think you didn't know. I think you unable to understand, but uh, I will show you one code. So I just open my Python editor. So I already written a code. If I write the code here, so video will be lengthy. Okay, so I just copy paste here, and you can see here. No, this is my text file. Sorry, I want to copy in main.py file. Okay, so you can see here, I'm just take a input. Okay, a number and convert in int. Okay, then then divide by the number of 10. Okay, then exception division error. Okay, so if a user enter 0, so maybe we can get uh, 0 division error. Okay, you can't divide by 0. Then exception, second exception, value error, please enter a valid number. Okay, so I just print here. I handle two exception. First one, I just enter 0. So you can see here, you can't divide by the 0. Okay, and second one, suppose I enter 12 HK. This is not a number. So you can see here, please enter a valid number. If I not define timed exception, so what will be happen? I just check. You can see here, if you not define timed exception below, then what will be happen? You can see here, I just run the code. Sorry, again I edit this. Okay, I try and I just enter 0. You can see here error division error. Okay, so we can say like our code is crashed. Okay, now we understand the exception, common exception in the Python. Okay, so I have a one table to understand the common exception in the Python. So first here, sorry, I'm just explain here. 1 minute. Okay, so when uh, when divide by 0, we will get 0 division error. Okay, if raise when a value is of the wrong type, okay, then value error will be occur. Then file not found error, when a file is not found. Okay, index error when uh, raised when accessing a invalid index. Okay, and key error raised uh, when a key is not in the dictionary. Okay, and I will be put this table in description. Okay, then handling multiple exception. Okay, so how we can handle multiple exception? So you can handle multiple exception using separate except tool. So I already show you this code multiple exception here. First exception and second exception here. Okay, two exception. We can also use one. Okay, using else with try exception. Okay, the else block execute if no exception occur. Okay, suppose I just give you one example here. When I entered 3, so you can see here show the result 3.3, 3.5. Okay, when jab, like when like no exception occur. Now I just run this code and again type 0. So you can see you can't divide by 0, but else not print, else block code not printed. Okay, so please also remember this thing. We can use else with a for loop, okay, and while loop, and we can also use with a try and exception. Then using finally, the finally block is to no matter what happens, exception or not exception, it always run. Okay, so I'll just show you one code here. Just open this txt file. Okay, so I just Okay, first log, third log. Okay, so I just want to read this log file, log text file. Okay, then print read files. Okay, then file not found. When I just give the another name, or like file notes exist in the folder, and finally like execute the computer. Okay, so I just first I show you this one, file content, and then execute is completed, because finally block code is running run. Okay, then if I assign one log one.txt, but log one.txt not existing in the folder, so I just run. You can see file is not found, but again execute completed. So always finally run every time, like whatever exception occur or not. Okay, so rising exception. Sometimes we rising the exception. You can rising exception intentionally using the raise keywords. Okay, so you can see here. I just show you one code. I just input if like less than 18. I just input a age. Okay, then in input if age is like less than 18, then I just raise the value error. Okay, so I just show you here. If I greater than value, enter. So you can see here, enter your age is 25 and successfully run your our code. Okay, now I just again run and now 11. So you can see it's like value error. Okay, because we raised the error. Okay, so custom exception. You can define your own exception by creating a class that inherits from the exception. You will be read about the ops in futures um, classes. Okay, so I just create one our own exception. Okay, so you can see here custom error. So I just create a custom error. This is a custom error and print custom error as a e and print. So you can see here this is a custom error. Okay, we can also define some things, piece of code in error. Okay, now best practice for the exception handling. Always remember. Okay, these things. I just show you in our board. So best practice for exception handling: be specific about the exception you handle. Avoid using a generic exception unless necessary. Okay, then use finally for cleanup task, closing files or other things like cleaning data or cleaning memory, other things. Okay, and suppose in network, if like any issue occur or like hacking, then automatically finally terminate the connections. Okay, log error for debugging and analysis, and avoid suppressing expression unnecessary. Okay, then mini project. Okay, we will create. So let's create a calculator that handle common error gracefully. Okay, so I just create a code. I already written this code, so you can see. I just explain first. Now I define a set calculator function, and this function have tried exception, like multi exception handling, and finally block also. Okay, and here you can see I just call the self calculator. So first calculator take three inputs. First one, number one, which may be float. Just you can enter your integer value or like float, both will be like handling this code, and then um, just input operator plus minus or like star or yeah, and then again enter a second number. Okay, if like operator equals to plus, then it's printing the number addition of both number. Okay, then if like you just enter minus operator, then it's like subtraction will be print as a result. Then else same is multiplication for division. Okay, else you just enter like an unaccepted symbol, then enter invalid operator. Okay. Otherwise, if you entered 0, so you can see your first number, suppose you entered non-zero value, and second number you just entered 0. So maybe code will be generate a error. Which one? Zero division error. Okay. Exception value means like invalid input, and exception as a E for like other exception for we can check we are parenting like I am parenting the error. Then finally, thank you for using this calculator. So I just show you different test cases. So first, I just want to divide 50 by divide by 10. Okay. So you can see successfully divided and result is 5. Okay. Then thank you for this one. Okay. Now I checking, can I divide by 0? So just run again code. Then 50 then divide by 0. So you can see error can't be divided by 0. Okay. Thank you for using this calculator. So you can see here like every time thank you for sharing your calculator will be run. Okay. Now like summary of this video, today we learned okay the difference between error and exception. Okay. And how to use try and except block for handling exception. The role of else and final. Okay, how to raise and create custom exception. Best practice for exception handling. Now, tomorrow we will dive into Python modules and package. See you then. No, I already I think this topics cover. So tomorrow we will be choose another topic and we will be like read about the topic. If you are like my video, please like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon for further notification in future. Yeah, thank you.